Imagine logging into your retirement or brokerage account and realizing it's empty. You didn't authorize any withdrawals, you didn't make any trades, and yet your money's gone. That's the reality for victims of phishing and hacked account scams. But according to the IRS's 2025 guidance, these types of losses may be tax deductible under certain conditions. In one example from a 2025 IRS memo, a taxpayer received an email that looked identical to a message from their investment firm. The email said their account was compromised and asked them to log in using a secure link. When they entered their credentials, the scammer captured them, took control of the account, and transferred everything, IRA funds and all, to an overseas account. The taxpayer didn't authorize any of these transactions and couldn't recover the money. The IRS concluded that when an account is hacked or funds are stolen without authorization, the theft can still qualify as a deductible loss, as long as the funds were part of an investment intended to generate income. Because the account was an income-producing asset, the theft occurred in a transaction entered into for profit, which meets the standard under Section 165. The deduction is allowed in the year the taxpayer discovers the loss and confirms there's no reasonable chance of getting the money back. So if your retirement or brokerage account was hacked and the funds were stolen, you might qualify for a deduction. You'll still have to report any taxable IRA distributions, but you can generally deduct the theft loss for the same amount, reducing your overall tax impact. Just make sure to keep documentation of law enforcement reports, communications with the financial institution, and confirmation that recovery isn't possible. At Gordon Law, we help victims of financial and crypto scams navigate this exact situation, filing properly, documenting their loss, and reducing their tax burden. If hackers took your money, the IRS may at least let you deduct the loss. Contact us today to learn how to report the theft properly and minimize the financial fallout. And don't forget to subscribe, because when the IRS changes the rules, you'll want to hear it from the people who help clients fight back every single day. See you next time.